Welcome to Crypto Knowledge. Today, I'm going to explain how beginners can actually make money in all markets, bull, bear, or even flat. Stick around until the end, because I'll give you a simple strategy you can use right now, even with a small budget. 1. Understanding the 3 types of markets. Market 1. Bull market. Everyone talks about it and altcoins explode, euphoria reigns. Market 2. Bear market. Prices fall, but there are plenty of opportunities. Market 3. Sideways or range flat. Prices stay in an area ideal for learning how to trade channels. The first secret is not to panic when the market goes down. Pros make money in all conditions. 2. The basics of trading. First, you need to understand technical and fundamental analysis. The words are TA reading charts, spotting trends. FA understanding projects, news, teams. Liquidity and volume, avoid illiquid shitcoins. Volatility, a double-edged sword. Order types, market limit, stop loss, take profit. If you don't set your risk level, the market will do it for you. 3. Winning strategies for beginners. Strategy 1. DCA or dollar cost averaging. Buy a little each week, no matter the price. Reduces stress and emotional mistakes. Strategy 2. Swing trading. Buy low, sell high over a few days or weeks. Requires understanding support and resistance. Strategy 3. Scalping or day trading, which I don't recommend for beginners. Very risky, requires tools and experience. DCA is often underestimated, yet it's the preferred strategy for long-term investors. 4. Tools to know. TradingView for chart analysis, CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to follow projects, Binance, Kraken or Coinbase to buy and trade, CryptoPanic or CoinGlass for price alerts, CoinStats for price management. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Trading without a plan. Mistake 2. Blindly following influencers. Mistake 3. Going all in on a single token. Mistake 4. Ignoring transaction fees. Mistake 5. Forgetting risk management, meaning stop losses, position sizing. The market owes you nothing, but if you learn to respect it, it will reward you. 6. Concrete example. Imagine you have 100 euros. You decide to use the DCA strategy on Ethereum. Every week you invest 10 euros, no matter the price. In a few months you smooth out the variations and accumulate a good average price. When the market bounces back, you're already in, without stress. Crypto trading is not a race, it's a marathon. Start small, learn the basics, use simple tools. And remember, markets reward patience and discipline. Like and subscribe if you want more clear and useful content. See you soon and happy trading.